Hello, welcome to Food is Medicine. Today we're diving into the ocean to explore a true nutritional giant, salmon. This isn't just a delicious fish, it's a powerful tool for your health. Adding salmon to your diet can protect your heart, boost your brain, and fight inflammation throughout your body. This truly is food is medicine. So what makes salmon so exceptional? Its incredible power comes primarily from one key nutrient, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are vital for cell function and are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. But that's not all. Salmon is also one of the best sources of high-quality protein, crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue. It's rich in vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function, and it's packed with B vitamins, which are key for energy production and red blood cell formation. It also contains potassium, which helps control blood pressure. This unique combination makes salmon a cornerstone of many healthy diets, contributing to everything from healthy skin to a robust metabolism. How much salmon should you aim for to unlock these amazing benefits? The American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week. A serving is about 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It's easy to make it a delicious habit. Bake it with lemon and herbs, grill it for a smoky flavor, or enjoy it smoked on a salad. Let's look at how salmon acts as powerful medicine, targeting some of the most common health concerns. 1. Heart disease and high cholesterol. Salmon is a star for cardiovascular health. The omega-3 fatty acids help lower triglycerides and blood pressure. They also reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in heart disease. Regular consumption can lower your risk of heart attack and stroke. 2. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, helping to cool down inflammation throughout your body. This can help reduce symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 3. Brain health and cognitive decline. Your brain is made of fat, and omega-3s are vital for its structure and function. Regular salmon consumption is linked to improved memory, better cognitive function, and may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. 4. Depression and mood. The omega-3s in salmon play a crucial role in brain function and mood regulation. Studies suggest that a higher intake of these fatty acids is associated with a lower risk of depression, and it can help improve mood. 5. Type 2 diabetes. Salmon's healthy fats and high protein content can help manage blood sugar levels. By reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, it can help prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. 6. Muscle health and strength. As a complete protein source, salmon provides the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to maintain muscle mass as you age, including salmon in your diet supports strong, healthy muscles. The golden secret to better health is on your plate. By making salmon a regular part of your diet, you're embracing the true power of food as medicine, investing in a healthier future for your heart, brain, and entire body. What's your favorite way to prepare salmon? Share your delicious ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Food is Medicine for more evidence-based health insights. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.